Good day everyone. Today I will teach about inductive reasoning. Number 1. The product of an odd integer and an even integer is an even integer. Because the even integer contains a factor of 2 and multiplying it by any number ensures the result remains divisible by 2 making it even. Example, 1 times 4 equals 4. 2 times 7 equals 14 and 3 times 8 equals 24. Think of a number, add it to 5, multiply 2 and then subtract 7. What is the result? Magbibigay ka lang ng kahit anong number and then ito ay solve. Example, 10 plus 5 equals 15 times 2 equals 30 minus 7 equals 23. And next, the product of an odd number and its consecutive number is an even number. Example, 5 times 6 equals 30, 11 times 12 equals 132, 15 times 16 equals 240. And positive numbers whose last digit is 0 is divisible by 10. Because having 0 in the unit place means the number can be written as a multiple of 10. Example, 10 divided by 1000 equals 100. 10 divided by 100 equals 10. And that that's all about of inductive reasoning. Thank you everyone.